So hey friend, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your iPhone to measure anything with AR technology. Now, in order to do it, let me just quickly search this application that is utility. In the utility, you can easily find this application that is Measure, or you can directly search it in the apps menu as well. Just simply open this application, and once you open it, here you're gonna find a camera will open right in front of you. Now you just need to add the pointer. For example, if I fix a pointer right there, then I move my camera to right there. When I add another pointer right there, it will tell me the actual length of my waypoint, or it may contain some error, so you can cross check it as well. For example, if I again mark another right there to there, and here you're gonna see I can easily check the length using this one. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.